How to Instagram voice changer. Hey everybody, if you're wanting to change your voice on Instagram, you can follow up the steps. So first thing is open up Instagram and log in into account. Once you do that, you can tap on your story on the top left corner or you can swipe left from your screen. So once you do that, you should be finding this interface. So what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna swipe right like this. In this effect section you can find. You're gonna swipe right until you reach to the end. You can just go ahead and swipe right and you should be finding a browse effects option. So once you reach on browse effect, you're gonna tap on this search bar like this. Swipe. And once you tap on it, this opens up. So what you're gonna do is from this browse effects, you're gonna go to the search bar and type in voice effects in this section. Go ahead and type in that. And here you will be given with different options, or you can select this Instagram by default Instagram feature filter, which is voice effects. So all you gotta do is use this filter in order to record. You can go ahead and tap the screen, and here you should be finding different voice effects like helium, giant, vocalist, announcer, and robot. So all you gotta do is use any of the effects available and record your audio. And once you do that, your audio should be recorded, your video should be recorded with the voice changed audio. So that is how you basically use Instagram voice changer. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.